Blay pi baro kini kilongki kubor bam takasngi. Menteri Katanat Social Welfare ba polling do ne kasngi tho ding ula pentep ba katanat kalathong ya ka search committee na kabenta ban ithu ya ki briyo ki ban shimti kum ka chairperson vice chairperson ba dukhot janga Meghalaya State Commission for Women MSCW. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor ba apol ulayathu ba katanat kalade ban pinmi ya ka jingpentep notification balathong ya ka search committee ha ka arp south rek mentau benai. Yagani search committee on clear the commissioner but Secretary Social Welfare kum chairperson Secretary Personal and AR Department Director Social Welfare Deputy Inspector General of Police CID but Director of Health Services MCH kum gidkhot la ong uba apol ulayathu ba katnan kalathong ru igidkhot ki bamdan ha ka sarkar non official ba kanthop ya ka principal jong Ladikin College Shillong principal jong Women's College Berkeley do katnat police social work jong Martin Luther Christian University kum ki non official ulayathu ba ka kamram jong ni ka search committee ka dei ha ka banwat nya ya ki longkmi ne ki kanthai ki bla shakri ka bha ka mian ki longkmi ba ha ka ju ka por ki ba khamtim kumno banweng ki jing e ba ki longkmi la ne ki riu kanthai ki kindu.
Commissioner and Secretary, Social Welfare Department as Chairperson, Secretary, Personal and AR Department as Member, Director, Social Welfare as Member Secretary, Deputy Inspector General of Police, CID as Member, Director of Health Services, MCH as Member. Non-official members will include the Principal, Ladikin College Shillong, Principal, Women's College Shillong, and Head of the Department of Social Work, Martin Luther Christian University.
So what will be the terms of reference?
To identify eminent women who have serviced the cause of women and who have sufficient knowledge and experience in dealing with women's issues and problems. 2. To recommend the names of eminent women so identified as chairperson, vice chairperson and members of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women as and when vacancies are notified. And 3. The term of the search and select committee will be for a period of 3 years from the date of notification.